Hello everyone. Today we're going to use Excel to help us calculate some average values. What I've got here is some data, so I've got mass in grams, and then we've got these three tests where we actually calculate the friction pulling a mass of these masses. So we're going to calculate the average in this of our three tests. So just making sure I've got the right cell selected. We're going to go up the top left to that little fx, that's where we get all of our formula. Comes up with all this. I want average. If average doesn't show up for you in the most recent, just go down to statistics and it should be number 2 there, so average. So it's asking us for the average of certain values, so just selecting that number 1 first, and then we're going to click on the ones we want. So what I'm going to do is just select just that 0.2, and I'm going to use that top left just to drag it across, all the way across to test 1. So I've got those three values selected. That's what we're going to find the average of. So just hitting return, and it gives me that. So what we're going to do is just copy that down. So I'm just going to get rid of our keyboard. I'm just going to copy that down just by selecting it and selecting it again. So just tapping it again. We're going to go fill. So notice how it's kind of dark a little bit. We're going to take this bottom right corner. So notice how it's a square now. So that bottom right corner, just drag it all the way down as far as I need, and then copy and paste that formula all the way down. So the last thing we're going to do is just turn that to 2 decimal places. So that's a few more decimal places that I need. Up the top, ABC123. Click on that. That's our number format. So I'm just going to decrease my decimal until we've got 2 decimal places. And there we have it. We found the average and we've rounded off to 2 decimal places.